Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we are talking about the new feature of AEM as a cloud service, that is AI Assistant. AI Assistant is a AI powered conversation tool coming on AEM as a cloud service. It is a virtual helper which is providing all the information about the product. It is helping us on the troubleshooting till some extent only, and also helping us to manage the support tickets. As it is one of the AI tool which is based on LLM, so it is prompting with some additional help prompts, as well as when we are talking about how that is available, it is supporting multiple AEM associated products. So here you can see all the associated products which you have seen with AEM, like Experience Hub, Sites, Assets, Form, Dynamic Media, EDS, and Cloud Manager. If you are having any product information, or if you want to know more about any of the feature available in these solutions, you can easily pull out through by using the AI Assistant tool. Talking on the cost and license, it is having some additional cost. How that will be available for you, or how much request you are generating, which type of uh, information you are trying to pull, it totally depends on that. I'm not sure on that, but you need to check with your Adobe representative for that. However, if you want to search the product information which is coming by default, and no cost associated with that as of now. However, you have to go with an agreement with Adobe to use this tool. And once you are done with this agreement, then only AI Assistant tool will be available for you. So in this video, we have discussed about the overview in which product that is available and the cost. In the next video, we are going to talk about the use cases, the benefits, and quick demo as well. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.